Hi guys, what's up? Meron po tayong kakamustahin na program. Ito po yung nag-start last year and magkakaroon po sila ng first year anniversary this coming 27th. It's announced by the CEO. Mahahanap niyo po yun sa Facebook. Hindi ko na lang po sasabihin ang kanyang pangalan. Pero po, andun po yun sa mga documentations when you go into the website. So, I have an existing account. Hindi pa rin di-disable to. This is going to be just what you see is what you get. Alright? So, Facebook, ito po ay isang opportunity online kung saan pwede kang kumita. Okay? So, sasayin ako. Alright. So, this is our dashboard. And we have a memorandum. Disclaimer. Okay, so January memorandum. To all Facebook's present and potential affiliates. That's me. Facebook page, Facebook official is not owned and controlled by Facebook management. All its posts and advertisement introducing investment schemes which involves auto trading and cryptocurrencies are not from Facebook. So, mayroon akong last video about Facebook. It's the separation of Indigen partnership. Alright? Kasi initially, ang earnings when you post sa social media is via the form of cryptocurrency which is Indigen. Cancelled na po lahat yun or dissolved na po yun. Wala na po yun. Ngayon po, yung social media nila nakalink sa dashboard ng system kung saan mo makikita yung binary, alright? Or yung plan kung saan ka pwedeng kumita. Ganun po siya. Ngayon, since its inception, Facebook has never been engaged in offering the public any investment scheme. So, wala pong investment dito. Yung kikita ka ng percent after a period of time. Ganun. Wala po. Facebook really focuses on offering advertisement services through purchase of account codes, which is yun nga, para ma-activate account mo, kailangan meron kang code, and once na-activate mo yung account mo, pwede ka na mag-earn. Representing advertisement points, which may be used in the services it offers. Ano ba yung services? As far as I know, wala pa akong services na napaggamitan ng advertisement points kasi nga po, wala naman po talagang paggagamitan pa ng advertisement points. We thus encourage everyone to exercise caution to avoid dealing with unauthorized parties using and taking advantage of Facebook name and to report the same to Facebook as a poster account. All official announcements of Facebook are made through the FB personal account of its CEO. For the information, guys. So, this is a company na walang official Facebook page. Kailangan maki-coordinate ka dun sa personal account. So, ano lang, sa Facebook po, limited ang isang tao or isang personality to have 5,000 friends. And I think itong Facebook, ano na to, more than 5,000 members na to eh. So, paano i-accommodate yun? We'll see. So, ayan yung memorandum. And I also have another memorandum. Ito, galing mismo sa Business World. And it says here, yun nga, Facebook. SEC renews warning against Facebook, January 11. Alright? Kasi yung SEC, down yata SEC ngayon eh. Sec Facebook. Ito. Advisory. Kanina ko, tinatry ko siyang i-load pero ayaw pa mag-load. So, same info naman yun nandito sa Business World. This is, guys, Business World. Alright? So, andito yung mga info about businesses sa Philippines. And there's a warning to the public against investing. So, hindi naman nga siya investment company. So, hindi siya dapat nagsusulisit. Pero hindi naman sila nagsusulitin na investment kasi nga, pumibili ka ng code. So, meron kasing order last year, sa August 1st, last year. May advisory ang Facebook, ay ang SEC sa Facebook na yun nga, walang valid and in effect. So, effective pa rin pala. Okay. To reiterate the contents of the advisory, the general public is hereby warned that all investment schemes are subject to the regulatory authority of this commission. The SEC said, nothing that recruiting investors members into the system is considered a form of investment solicitation or a sale of securities. Wala binibenta si Facebook na securities. Ang binibenta ni Facebook is, ano ba binibenta ni Facebook? Yun nga daw, advertisement points. Advertisement points. Paano ko ba gagamitin yung advertisement points? Hindi, wala nga info about it. Asan yun? Hindi ka rin pwede bumiling codes online. Hindi na siya available. I-loading. Loading. Wala akong wallet balance. You can do that on coins.ph, pay my social media. Ito pa, follow up. Those found to be acting as salesmen, brokers, dealers, or agents of such companies can be penalized with a fine of up to 5 million or be imprisoned up to 21 years. The names of the people involved in such schemes will also be forwarded to the BIR so their taxes and penalties can be accessed accordingly. Oh, ito na yung ano. Ito yung social media. Puro mukha. Puro mukha. Share natin ito sa Facebook. Hindi natin kung may lalabas na info. Might be a color greater than. Mas natin ito warning. Yan. Alright. So, meron silang buy and sell, e-mall. Si RJ. Where are you, RJ? Oh! Bakit hindi ko na siya nakikita? Hindi siya nalilink. Ay, blinak ako. Why did you block me? Why? Why? But I can still see you on the other account. Why did you block me? Huh? You, ano ginagawang kasalanan? Why block me? You're a CEO. I'm not doing anything bad. I'm just sharing what I see. Huwag yun na po i-click yung link ko. I'm hindi na. So yun lang ang update na nakikita ko. Another SEC warning about Facebook. Yun lang po. And sa mga hindi pa po members ng Facebook, I think it's better for you to read the warning first. And yun lang po. Siguro ano po, check nyo kung ano po ba talaga yung offer. Again, sa Facebook po, meron kayong login rewards. Yan, sign in rewards. Pero itong social media rewards, wala na po yan. Okay? Wala na po yan. So, signing rewards plus login rewards, 1.5. Yun lang po yung kikitain ng maximum sa login rewards. Pero ang minimum cash out is 3,000 pesos. So, you have to earn 1,500. 1,500 can be earned by sponsoring. So, kailangan nyo pong makapagbenta ng codes sa at least 6. Alright? Kailangan 6. 3 sa left, 3 sa right. Tapos, dapat lahat direct nyo para mabuo nyo po yung 3,000 at makapag-cash out kayo. Yun lang po. Thanks for watching. Bye now.